Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making granola bars. Now I make this every weekend or every other weekend, and it stores in the fridge really well, and it's a great snack for us to take to work and for the kids to take to school because it is nut free. And I do add some flaxseed meal to get some fiber in there. So stay tuned for my granola bar recipe. So here are all the ingredients that I'll be using, but you can also find a list in the description below. So this is 2.5 cups of steel cut oats, but you can use rolled oats as well. You're going to place a pan of oats in the oven on 350 degrees while you assemble the rest of the ingredients. This is a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, along with 1/2 cup of honey. You're going to put it on the stove on medium-low just until the coconut oil has melted. You'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is 3/4 cups of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, 1 cup of cranberries. Sometimes I use dried blueberries, but I didn't have any today, so dried cranberries will work just as well. A dash or 2 or 3 of cinnamon. We really like the taste of cinnamon. And a dash or 2 of salt. And this is a little less than 1/4 cup of flaxseed meal, which will provide fiber to the granola bars. You're going to mix all that up and then take the oats from out of the oven and add it to the mixture. And lastly, you're going to add the honey and coconut mixture to the dry ingredients. I've added just a little bit of oil to the bottom of the pan so that the parchment paper doesn't move when I pour the granola mixture into the pan. Use the back part of the spoon to pat the mixture down. And then you're going to place it in the 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. I cut my granola bars into squares and keep them in the fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. So it's nice and chewy, and the flaxseed meal has no aftertaste at all. And at least when you make it at home, you know exactly what's in there. So if you make this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, take care.